I got a new laptop. Some of you will know about Framework laptops. They're pretty new, and they're designed to be modular and upgradable and repairable. I got the DIY edition, so I've got a little work to do before I can actually use it. It comes in a few pieces that promise to be fairly easy to put together. I got the new Ryzen 7000 series processor. Hopefully it's pretty fast. As you can see, the keyboard and bezel have to go on still. Probably the most interesting part about the Framework laptop are these expansion cards. The 13-inch model has 4 slots for these cards. We'll come back to those in a little bit. For now, let's get the pieces together. The QR code on the box took me to a set of instructions saying exactly how to put each piece together with a video for each step. And overall, if you're comfortable, say, upgrading the memory in a desktop computer, this was fine. It even comes with a handy little screwdriver. Every screw in the case is the same and uses the screwdriver that comes with it. Once things are together, these expansion cards are great. The case has space for 4 of them. I have this collection: USB-C, USB-A, DisplayPort, HDMI, and a micro SD reader. I can put any 4 into the laptop anytime I feel like it, and swap out my I/O depending what I'm doing that day. It weighs 1.3 kilos. That's about 100 grams more than my Dell XPS 13 or a MacBook Air, less than a MacBook Pro. That's pretty good. I'm a little surprised by the aspect ratio of the screen. It's 3:2, which is quite a lot higher than most laptop screens. I think I'm going to like it. It feels like a lot of screen real estate to work with. We're traveling soon, and the Framework is coming with me. We'll see how it travels and how it works with some light video editing. Subscribe and see what happens.